Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Before the dances and all the stuff, I want to show you my heritage makeup look. If you want to see all the dances, you may just skip towards the end. But this is the look for my heritage day. So the first thing that I did is to prime my eyes, and I used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is in color 30. Now I'm going in with the NYX palette, and I'm going in with the green. Guys, today we are being colorful because, guys, if you didn't know, I am Xitsonga and I'm from Guyana in the village of Makuva. So y'all, today we're gonna be colorful, like we do everything color. So I just wanted to actually incorporate this part before you can see me dance and my cousins dance. So yeah, so now I'm just going in with the greens from the NYX palette, and I'm using my fluffy brush by color. I'm just blending in every color towards the end. So I'm concentrating the green towards the end. And of course, guys, forgive my eyebrows because they are so gigantic. And so I'm just blending and stuff. And now I'm going in with the Rimmel palette. It's there at Discount, guys. It's very cheap. So now I'm going in with that dark green to intensify, guys, my outer part of the eye, so that we have a very nice gradient. I'm already done with the other eye. So now I'm just doing this eye on cam so that you guys can see everything, so that you don't say, hi, you didn't show us that look and stuff. But anyways, I'm super excited today, guys. So on the NYX palette, I'm going in with the yellow. Of course, green and yellow, it's our colors. Like, actually, every color on the rainbow is ours, guys. We own the colors. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear nickies. Well, yeah. So I'm going in with the yellow towards the front of my eye, and I'm using the same brush, guys. Like I'm just blending it so that I have that soft look. I didn't want to cut my crease. I just wanted everything to be soft. So now I'm going in with this Beauty Treats. It's also from Discam, guys. I'm taking in the black. I'm just intensifying the outer part of the eye so that I have a little bit of gradient. If you don't know, in this channel, we always love to have gradient. And the brush that I'm using, it comes with the Rimmel palette that I just used, which is this one right here. And I'm taking in the mustardy yellow color, and I'm using it on the inner part of my eye, and I'm gonna blend it a little bit towards the inner part of the eye where I placed the yellow, so that we have a smooth blend and everything. So you guys, I'm going back to the dark green that I have, and I'm just gonna use it as a liner, just to close off the look. I don't want to go in with a black liner. That's why, guys, I use the green. And now I'm cleaning in the outer part. If you've been in this channel, you know that we clean the outer part to have that snatched look, clean look, and also to look like our eyes are coming from our foreheads in a way. So now I'm going in with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizing lotion as my primer. Another thing, not to prime is a crime, guys. You always need to prime because your makeup will stay longer and will look better, and you're protecting your surface of the skin as well. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me, guys. I love Maybelline Fit Me. If you have watched my top 3 foundations, you would know this one is number 1, and I'm using color Chestnut. I'm going back to the concealer that I use for my eyes, and I'm just gonna use it to highlight. If I didn't mention, guys, this is color 30. It's a little bit light. I think it's 2 shades lighter. So for highlighter, I want to go in with 2 to 3 shades. But if you want to be safe, just use 2 shades. And then I'm using a blending brush. No. A blending sponge that is damp, guys. Like, we don't want to go in with a dry sponge, please. This is 2020. You want to make sure you wet that sponge. Butter and the sponge, they work better to blend. I swear, everything's gonna be easy. If you're still using a dry sponge, then I don't know, life must be hard for you. So now I'm going in with this Black Radiance contour, what is it called? Yeah, those 2 things. And I'm using the darker one, not the one that I pointed. I don't know what was going on with my mind, guys. And I'm sorry for the light. And if you can see, the lighting has been changing because I'm using natural light because it's free. And so free things, sometimes they do that to you. They do you that bad. So anyways, so I'm just blending in. If you have noticed, you guys, I actually use pretty much the same sponge and the same brush to do everything on my face. So right now I'm going in with the mixture of I think it was Maybelline. No. It was it's a mixture of LA Girl, yes, LA Girl and the Black Radiance powder to actually highlight my face. And then now I'm going in with the Hammers of Law palette, and I'm using the color called Contour It to actually contour my face. And the brush that I'm using, guys, it comes with that palette. It comes with the powders from Black Radiance. So now I'm just gonna use the powder as well to actually snatch my cheekbones that I do not have. So yes, I'm going back to the green, and now I'm using a flat brush. I'm going in, oh my god, what am I saying? I'm going to close my under eye with it. And right now, guys, I thought this would work. Actually, this is a face paint that I got from Crazy Store. It activates using water. So I don't know, I wanted to do like a mascara, like a yellow mascara situation, and it didn't really work. So I don't know, I actually still continued on the other eye while I noticed that it's not working. So I had to go back with the brush and make sure that I'm cleaning that part. Like I still had a little bit of yellow there, which I didn't really mind, but anyways, it was not a good idea. So now I'm going in with the brush that I used to contour, and it helps me to actually not look super white. Like when I use the brush that I used on my contour parts, actually, like I tend to look a little bit less ashy. So now I'm going in with a flat brush, and I'm going to contour my nose using the same color from the Hammers of Law palette. And I like to bring my contour towards the inner part of the eye, which is the eyebrows, so that I have a smooth blend. And of course, now I'm going with a blush, and the blush that I'm using is a palette from Hammers of Law, guys. I know, right? We are using an eyeshadow as that, but as you know, if you've noticed, since we are colorful, and if you have noticed, the older generation of the Tsonga women, they love blush, guys. Like literally they have red on their cheeks, but I couldn't do the super red, so I went in with the pink to make sure that, you know, everything is there. Again, on the palette, I'm using the color to actually highlight, and I'm going all in on my Cupid's bow. That is because I want the lipstick that I'm going to wear to pop out more. And the lipstick that I'm using is by Wet n Wild. It's this red. I know green and red, they don't really mix, guys, but I know I'm Tsonga, okay? Any color goes. I do not go with color coordination. Everything is fine to me. Every color is the combo to me. So yeah, we went in with the red to make sure that, you know, we are colorful enough. And I'm using this very same highlighter to actually, you know, highlight everywhere where I've shown you guys. And that is the look. Actually, like, I'm feeling myself and I'm just busy posing. You're gonna see a lot of poses in this video, guys, and a lot of dancing. Okay, so let's go and dress up. So this is what we call shibelani, and I got mine in green and yellow. So this is called shibelani. We wear it around our waist, so we call this buhlalu. Buhlalu, we put them around our waist. This is like, there's sizes, guys. It comes with sizes. This is my necklace. We call it buhlalu as well. So this one, we wear it around our neck, and this is mcheka, and we wear it around our body. You see, guys, the whole outfit. So I chose green and blue today with the flowers of red, and on top, as you can see, it's what we call duku, and we wear it on our heads. So that is that, guys. So I'm going in with my duku now to tie on my head. You see, guys, you're gonna be learning a lot of tradition, Tsonga tradition today. Okay, so I'm just tying that. Actually, this duku, guys, it's actually the one that we wear around our body. I couldn't find the smaller one. There's a smaller version of this. So as a Tsonga person, we always wear duku, or, you know, anything on our heads. You know, I don't know why, to cover our heads. So the next thing that we are going to wear, it is shikipa, which means shirt, and I am just going to wear it, you know, color coordination. Oh, why am I saying in Zulu? Oh my god, ikona nyana. But, you know, you just need to be colorful. So now I'm going in with my shibelan, and this shibelan is also on my side. I think I'm losing weight, guys, because it looks a little bit big now. So I lost weight. This one, it has a size, I think I chose size 30 or something like that. And then I'm going in with my buhlalu, and I'm just putting the buhlalu around my waist. Now I'm going in with buhlalu again, this one around my neck. And I just thought, you know, why can't I be dramatic with it and, you know, put it around my neck and, you know, snatch it and slay it. So that is actually the look right there, and I'm busy posing, guys. As I said, there's gonna be a lot of posing because I was super excited to do this video. I was like, I wish it can be Heritage Day every day. So yeah. So now I'm going with a headband. I don't know what they call it in Tsonga. I think it's also buhlal. I don't know what they call it actually. If we call it challenge more like something to wear on the head. I don't know. If you are Tsonga and you know what this is, please do leave a comment down below because I have no idea what this is in Tsonga. And of course, your girl is busy posing, feeling herself. She's like, Tsonga sauce going on. So now I'm going in with ncheka. Ncheka is what we wear around our body. I don't know if it's called around, but yeah, ncheka, you have to tie a knot on the corner of it so that it's thick, and then we put it around our body, guys. I don't know how to explain, but you can see what I'm doing. So that is actually it. There's still more. They wear hair, necklaces. We wear white shoes if you want, or we can wear barefoot. We can go barefoot, or we can actually wear skripots on our legs. But for this video, guys, this is pretty much that I actually had with me. And of course, she's still posing. Your girl is like but anyways, you guys, so let's watch me pose. And after this, guys, it's gonna be me and my cousins dancing. Enjoy the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoy.